the greatest comeback in Ohio history. Get ready.
Who running this drag route over here? Jordan? Come on, Jordan. I need you to be in the clutch, baby. 2-3. 2-3. Week 2 was devastating. Kansas State blew our back out. And Tim Carpenter, his wood went soft, okay? So he's sitting. We're going Parker Navarro, who is the actual starter anyway with Ohio. So we done with that part. We just trying to get some dubs. But we go to Ohio State game this week, but we throwing that shit out the window because we Ohio. Battle of Ohio. There we go. We got them 3rd down, baby. 3rd and 2. 3rd and 2. We got to make something happen. Yeah, coach is saying hot blitz. I'm down for it. Let's run it. We're going to slant the D-line left. I'm thinking strength away from running back. They passed it to the flat. But we laid a stick! 4th and 1! 4th and 1. Let's go. Heavy bunch formation. Hopefully square is open. He is indeed not open. This is not good. We got triangle though. He covers. No. You gotta put that shit on him, cuz. Third and 7. They're getting us out of our game. This isn't good. Good catch. We can't allow them to have the ball. We gotta go convert. Here. X is gonna be open. Drag route. Here we go. Yep. No! Hold on to that, Williams. All right. We gotta check. We definitely not getting past the swing. I'm not gonna be able to check. I hate that shit. Yeah, this end's gonna eat me. Oh, he didn't. Let's go. Oh, good block. Good shit, Pew. Yup. That boy Pew always open like your baby mama on the block. Oh no, R1's open. Get down! Damn, he laid the stick. Fuck. Ooh, we might have to punt this one. Yeah, we gotta punt. Is that a good punt? Oh, come on, give me the backspin. You got one fucking job, and you can't do it to perfection. College program, bro, all you do is punt all motherfucking day, and you can't just do it. Oh yeah. Now. Yup. Woo! No! Come on, bruh. We can't go away from it, though. We can't. Yeah! Woo! That motherfucker running like he... That motherfucker really running like he failed all his finance classes in the IRS coming in for that tax invasion, boy, because I cannot be caught. That's a pitch. Let's go. Oh, shit. So good rubber out. That's good hands. Yeah. Yup. That boy running like all your fathers from child support. Yeah, baby. That boy toting that shit. They're trying to crowd the line and shit. Oh! Uh-oh. Dang. All right. Jermaine Matthews, my bad. Hey, what'd I say though? Hey, look, I might not have got the first down, but that's Pew, baby. That's Pew. He always open like your baby mama's coochie for everybody on the block, okay? Everybody. And you know what's true? That's what I get for talking shit on your baby mama. That's on me. That's on me. It won't happen again. But we gotta go get a touchdown, dude. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. First down, let's go, baby. Yeah. Ooh. Forgot I'm a cat. Yup. Come on. Hurry up. Let's go. We back to it. Same play. Run it back. Come on. Rio. Yup. Get in there. No. Touch and bust, baby. What Shannon Sharp say? Touch and bust, baby. TNB. But instead of 9 months later, it's 6 right now, baby. TNB. Touch and bust. We was gonna get one eventually. They can't hold us. They can't hold my boy Duncan. That boy Duncan dropping all his nuts all over your mouth. Let's go. Oh, defense holds up. Let's go. The fuck? You in the hunting ground, baby. We out here hunting. What? Come on, man. Wait. He counting out as a catch? Oh, shit. We ain't defeating. We running to the boundary here. We've been running the boundary all day. Yeah, we back to it. Yeah. Probably should have held on to that one. Come on, Nick. I need you, baby. I need you. Come on. Oh, it's double coverage. I'm fucked. Oh, my goodness. Let's see what we got here. Hey, you know what I said, bro? Pew about to be open. Pew's open. Oh, my. I got picked up like your baby mama from your homeboy. She picked me up at the... Oh, my God. Tony! TNB. He touch it, he gonna bust. That shit good. Clean it up. Let's go. And the defense holds him to a field goal. Hey, we here. Woo! Let's go. Oh my God. I'm naked. He's streaking down. Athens. Tony. Let's go. That boy Parker Devine about to be streaking down Athens. Darty. We going to the Darty or what? What's a Darty? A party in the daytime. Yes, sir. You know we right back to it. Woo. Just like your fathers all escaping to Florida, don't want to pay none of that child support. We get a good pitch. Come on. Oh, we got to get a block. All right. They figured my shit out. All right, let me calm down. Let me talk down. All right. Woo. Oh, my goodness. Come on, bro. Come on, I was just hyping you up. What we got going on? All right, we straight. All right. They all hyped up and shit again. I ain't got nothing. They boxed my shit. Got a punt. Got a punt. Fake punt? Nah. Man, it's there though. The fake punt's there, but it's 4th and 15. If it wasn't 4th and 15, we would definitely fake punt that bitch. Make it fair catch it. Make it fair catch it. That's Caleb Downs. Boom! Let us stick! Oh my God, we're cooked. Down 9. They went for 2? No. They had 23? Yeah, I'm stupid. Don't worry about it. Oh shit. He's gonna be open though. No! No! Hold your block. They stacking that right side. They know we've been torching that right side. Oh my God, we get a good pitch. Come on, baby. We gotta go down here and score. We gotta go down here and score. Pew the baby mama. Pew the baby mama. Always open. Always open for business at night. Let's go. Oh, we gonna hit the 2 minute. No. We got another play. Come on. Get set. Let's go. Rio. Let's go. What'd I tell you? Oh, they didn't bring him down on the edge. It's OV for you, motherfucker. Yup. Run him over. Let's go. No, Duncan. No. I need you, Duncan. Hey, is it time for Hendricks? It might be. We gonna hit Hendricks over here. Nope, they're hitting the flats. Damn, I almost got him killed. Back spasms. Get off your back. The fuck? You got your back hurting. That's gay. Got him. No! Hold on to the motherfucking ball. What do we got going on here? Come on. What we got? Pew. Makes a move. He got the first. No! He's playing stacked up. I don't think I'm gonna get him on this out route. Might be tight end time. No one's moving. We got the tight end. Yup. Come on. Hurry up. Run it back. We got him sitting the first time. Williams gonna be open. Williams gotta be open here. Oh, the back left. Oh, we got him. No! He makes a catch! He's like that. White boy got a vibe. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Oh, no. Come on. Run it. Come on. Same play. Rio. Come on, get set. We up the middle. Oh, my God. Square's open. We need a timeout. Oh, we don't got no timeouts. Fuck. Backlog management by Coach Hill. Come on. What we got? Yup. Get in there. No. Come on. Who running this drag route over here? Jordan? Come on, Jordan. I need you to be in the clutch, baby. 2-3. 2-3. No. Not a big six. No. My God. It's like Friday, Christmas all over again. I got robbed, bro.
Take it out. 1, 2, get up, hey. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I did the bag. Hey, you know what though? We was right there. There's a lot of good to be taken out of an L sometimes. There was a lot of good there. Damn. Motherfucker made the best play of his fucking life. The recruiting's down because we suck. We're 0-3. We haven't even played a conference game yet, bro. Who's our fourth game? Marshall. Okay, we can go beat Marshall's ass. I mean, if we can play like we just did against Ohio State the rest of the year, I don't really see anybody else beating us. Never disrespect wide receiver U. Right now they're the Kings. We'll see y'all next year. But I appreciate y'all pulling up to the YouTube video, though. Peace. Love you. Bye.